Let's bring blood flow to the genitalia. Namaste! Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It's Anita Tatavarthi. I'm a licensed acupuncturist with over 20 years of experience. I've also treated over 100,000 patients in my lifetime. Today, I want to share with you a simple juice that can bring blood flow and juice to your genitalia. Before we step into it, got a question for all of you. Do you want more acupressure or do you want more foods and juices? And if you want more foods and juices, do you want more foods or you want more juices? Do let me know and I will deliver. This is a great drink. It smells delicious and it tastes delicious. It has many benefits for all of you. It can help you provide blood circulation throughout the body and to the genitalia. It can also help you to sleep because it's got magnesium. It also can help you with low libido. It can also help you in weight loss because it can help with its fiber content and metabolism. Also, if you are a diabetic patient, the fruit can also help you to use the insulin in the bloodstream more efficiently. So what are we going to prepare today? We're going to prepare a strawberry and watermelon drink. Let me show you how to make it. So for every 2 parts of watermelon, we're going to put 1 part of strawberry. So let's start with the watermelon first. And then let's put in a few strawberries. That looks about right. You can add mint if you would like. And then I'm also going to put in some lemon juice for taste. And now I'm going to blend it all together. Once you get to a consistency that you would like, you can add the water to your taste. If you have a special event that's happening in a week or 2, consider drinking this daily. Also, if you're a diabetic patient struggling with blood sugar, you can consult your doctor regarding the dosage. This is a great way to bring blood flow throughout the body and also to the genitalia. Consider incorporating at the very least a few times a week into your daily diet. Thank you so much for watching. And ladies, if you want to know more about women's health, head on over to TikTok and Instagram. We've got great information for you. And gentlemen and ladies, thank you so much for your support and for watching. All our monetization money from Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube goes towards funding a free clinic in the Washington, D.C. area. If you want to give a donation, it's the first link in the description and the first link in the link tree. Thanks for watching. I'm going to drink this right after. It smells delicious. Until next time, I wish you all the best in being a man and a woman on the planet. Cheers!
We would like to thank Anita's friends and business contacts who donated their time, money, and medical supplies to the Rapely Free Clinic.
We're here in my grandfather's marriage hall, which is now being converted into our clinic or free hospital. We have been here for 4 months and we have treated about 1,000 patients with over 8,000 or 9,000 patient visits. Most of the patients are farmers and agricultural workers, so a lot of the things that they're dealing with is